Okay, so this is how my filament alarm or stopper works. Just a minute, I will turn on my 3D printer. Okay, now it's on. I don't know if you can see the LCD screen here, what's written inside. Anyway, now it's I will not start because I don't have anything to print now, but in general we have the filament that going into this passage over here. Now I cut the part from the filament, from the spool to the contraption, so I will show you how it will work. Now the filament is going very slowly inside this tunnel, so I'll pull it very slowly. You can watch this end while I'm pulling and see how it alarms me. Now I'm pulling slowly down, a little bit down, until it passes this first end stop. When it first passes it, you can hear alarm very strong that will wake me up if the printer is running while I'm sleeping, because each print can take at least 4 hours to even 12 hours. And even more. So now I'm not, for example, I didn't wake up, which is with this noise it's not likely to happen. But if I'm not at home or something like this, the filament is still going down inside the 3D printer, and then once it passes the second end stop, you can see that the 3D printer stopped from working, and that helped me because once I start it again, when I come back, I start the printer again, it will ask me, do you want to proceed from the point that you stopped, last stop? And of course I will continue from that point, because otherwise I have to start to print from the beginning, and if a few hours passed already, it's a loss of time and also a loss of filament and amortization. All the step motors are running, and it becomes worn for nothing, and it will continue to work until the end of the job without any filament. So this is the project. I think it's made with a pic12f629, if I'm not wrong. And what important thing about it, if you are planning to make one design, I had a few designs. This is the box only, and this is the filament holder. These are two different 3D printing designs. The filament holder, make sure that the wire passes in some tunnel that doesn't let him go to the right or left, because once it's working, there are a lot of movements of the filament to the right and to the left. Even though this lumen is stable, still there are some movements, so the filament should be very strong, aligned in this vertical position, so the end stops, the IR end stops will will not be triggered with some mistake. They will be held strongly until the line is the filament passes them. So you have to hold it very strong here, even with some kind of washer kind of printing, and here a strong, a very good tunnel, narrow tunnel that leads him to the last end stop over here, the last switch over here. Thank you for watching.